Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text cursor indicator color on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down to the ease of access tile and select it. And then on the left side underneath vision, select text cursor, and then you can select the color options here, or you can pick a custom color as well, and then select done. Make sure text cursor indicator is turned on in order for you to actually utilize that color, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.